In primetime news this evening, major investigation now underway following Mocha-led security raids at 17 premises.
Standoff escalating in Clarendon Municipal Corporation over May Pen mayorship.
And family of special needs teen who died at hospital demands justice. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Giovanni Dennis.
Well, Andrea, Ace Bryden & Sons Holdings makes 30-day mandatory offer to buy all remaining CPJ shares. I'll tell you more about that in the business day.
And Jermaine Brown has what's coming up in primetime sports.
Thank you, Archibald. Well, a bit of turmoil for the Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association. They're currently locked in a meeting following their resignation of their general secretary. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. And there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before we get to that, let's head to Romaine Robinson to tell us what's coming up in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. We have sunny conditions expected across most of the island as we close out this week. But at the start of next week, we're introducing some clouds and also windier conditions, especially across the north.
Thanks, Romaine. And before the break, the feedback question. This evening, we're asking...
The question is, do you know what the role of a municipal corporation is, and how satisfied are you with the work they're doing?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.